Hey there, folks. Ever dealt with a smelly, clogged, or backed-up septic tank? Yeah, I have too, until I discovered Septifix. It's been a total game changer for me, and I'm excited to share my experience. So, what exactly is Septifix? It's a tablet you flush down your toilet and it works wonders on your septic tank. Here's how it transformed my septic system. First, let's talk about the problem. My septic tank used to smell awful, and I dreaded the expensive pumping every few months. Clogs and backups were a constant headache. Then, I decided to give Septifix a shot. When the tablet hits your septic tank, it releases sodium carbonate and oxygen, up to 10 liters per tablet. The oxygen disperses, tackling waste and odors, while the sodium carbonate balances the pH. In just 3 to 5 days, the smell was gone. But it gets better. The live bacteria in the tablets feast on all the residues inside your tank. Yes, even toilet paper, grease, and oils. This means less sludge and fewer clogs. I haven't had to pump my tank since I started using it. What makes Septifix stand out? It's the only oxygen-releasing treatment on the American market. The oxygen boosts the bacteria, keeping your tank clean for up to 90 days. Plus, each tablet has over 10 billion bacteria strains per gram, 3 times more than competitors. So, why should you try it? It cuts down on odors, breaks down sludge, prevents clogs, and eliminates the need for frequent pumping. You'll save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars each year. Listen, if you're tired of septic tank troubles, do yourself a favor and try Septifix. The link to the official website where I got mine is below. Trust me, it'll change your life like it changed mine. Click the link and get started today. Thanks for watching and happy flushing.